BL460c G9 Array, where it's showing the blue. Okay, and it says new alert. We're gonna say okay, and it says 1 hour error, and it doesn't really give us much. And it says next. So we know there's a problem with it. So since we already connected to the KVM, which means keyboard, mouse, and monitor, we're gonna come over here, and I'm just gonna hide the IP address and everything else. So as you guys can see here, smart array not discovered. So we know the smart array, it's basically it's on the motherboard itself. How do I know that? Because the battery cache, if you know, it goes right here. If the battery cache plugs in into the motherboard, it means the array is embedded into the motherboard. That means there's a voltage error problem. So we need to change this whole motherboard. I hope this one helps you out, guys.